Hello, Tion here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the dark mode feature in Facebook on iOS. Now, before I go into this video, I would first like to say that it's not available on iPadOS. I checked multiple times. It's not there, even though they're the same build numbers. It's not on the iPad for some odd reason. So we'll do it on the iPhone. I guess that's better than nothing. So in order to enable it, the first thing you're going to want to do is launch the Facebook app on your iPhone.
Repost. Page. Discord. One new item. Draw. Facebook.
And there, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen or the Facebook menu button.
Notification. Facebook menu. So
there we go.
Menu. Heading.
Inside of the Facebook menu button here, we're going to want to go to Settings and Privacy, or Settings, depending on what your screen looks like.
Show settings and privacy button. Hide settings and privacy heading.
Now, inside of the Settings and Privacy screen, you're going to want to look for the dark mode setting.
Your time on Facebook. Dark mode button. Dark mode. Back button.
Now, inside of the dark mode setting here, we have three options here. We have an option to turn it off and an option to turn it on, and an option that will change between light mode and dark mode based on your setting. And by that, I mean, if iOS is in dark mode, then Facebook will switch to dark mode. If it's in light mode, it'll switch to light mode. So an example of this is when I go ahead and go to the control center on my iPhone here, and I go ahead and toggle the dark mode on and off. Let's go ahead and haptic touch on the brightness toggle.
Volume 100%. Brightness 52%. Adjustable. Brightness 52%.
And we go down here.
True tone on. Night shift. Dark mode on button. Dark mode.
And we turn it off. As you guys can see behind the control center, the background has switched to light mode. And if I tap it again,
dark mode on.
It turns back on.
Brightness 52%.
Let's go back to the page here. Now, the other two options there are on and off. So when you have it on, it'll just stay on dark mode regardless of whether you have dark mode in iOS turned on or off. And if you have it off, well, it'll just be in light mode. And that's basically how you enable dark mode in the Facebook app on iOS.